Transferring money globally doesn't have to be a headache. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to making a wire transfer from your Chase bank account, step by step. First, log into your Chase online banking account using your username and password or the Chase mobile app on your phone or tablet. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Transfer tab. It's usually located at the top or side navigation bar on the dashboard. Click on it. From the drop-down menu under Pay and Transfer, select Wire Transfer. If you do not see the option, you may need to call Chase to enable the feature. Here is where precision is key. Fill out the recipient's information accurately, including their full name, complete address, bank name, bank address, SWIFT code or BIC code, and their account number. Double-check all the details. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer and select the currency. Be sure to understand any daily or transaction limits Chase has in place. Before submitting, carefully review all the information you've entered. Verify the recipient details, transfer amount, and any associated fees. Chase will likely require a security verification, such as a one-time passcode sent to your registered phone number or email, for extra protection. After completing the security steps, you'll receive a confirmation screen with a reference number. Keep this number handy for tracking purposes. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a wire transfer from your Chase account. Remember to factor in potential fees and processing times, which can vary depending on the destination country and bank. Now you can send money with confidence.